when we've got a retreat coming up, there's quite a bit of stuff that we have to get sorted so that we are okay for visitors to come. So I just thought I'd take you through a few of the things that we do when we've got a group of people coming to do some yoga. So that's job number one done in the yoga field. The grass is cut. You can see I reset the fence posts yesterday. If you saw the previous vlog, you'll know why. So just going to finish putting the finishing touches to that tomorrow. The first job this morning was repairing the gate and the fence. So that's done. And now we're moving on to one of the less glamorous jobs in preparing for a retreat. Little known fact about alpacas is that they have a poo spot, a toilet spot, so they all go to the same place all the time. Sheep don't do us that kind of courtesy, so there's only one option. It's the poo pick. It's really important for us to have a nice atmosphere in the barn at the retreat, so I'm just coming down to one of my favourite places on a weekend of prayer, get some candles and some nice smells. So here we are on a weekend of prayer, and here is Annie, our master.
Hello.
And
how you
also
doing?
somebody who comes to our yoga classes.
Oh, it's the best. Absolutely the best.
Thank you. So I'm just going to have a browse around and get something to smell nice for tomorrow.
Okay, that's great.
I've decided that we're going to go for that one, and I think that'll stay burning for the best part of the day, so Annie's just going to find them for me. On the retreat days we're based in here. This is the repair barn, and I'm just in the process of giving it a bit of a clean up ahead of everybody getting here tomorrow morning. Here we are, retreat day, Saturday morning. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy, it's quite windy. Everything's set up. We've got the seating area here, which hopefully is going to be nice enough to use outside today. The repair barn is good to go. Just need the lights turning on.